Hi again. To continue with building our recommendation system using Elasticsearch, we have to get acquainted with two more conceptions. So let's do it in a quick mode. So first of all, that is constant scores query. We have never used it previously at our lectures. So generally, constant score it is a wrapper that is added around the filter, and while we are doing in such a way, first of all, we are getting some constant score that is defined by boost parameters, and mostly by default it is 1.0. But what is the most interesting is that first of all we are getting some speed up performance because Elasticsearch provides caching of such constant score queries and filters in it. And then we do not calculate relevant score for such a filters, and we will use also it in our recommendation query. So that is the first conception you had to get acquainted with, and we will use it soon. And next one is even more important, that is function score query. And if you will have a look at it, mostly the documentation is poor and it is hard to imagine how it can be used. The only thing that you can read that it allows you to modify the score of documents, and what is the more essential, and there is only a small remark about it, and furthermore, several functions can be combined. In this case, one can optionally choose to apply the function only if a document matches a given filter query. Let's have a look at that small example. Here we have some query, in that case that match all documents, but then we are saying that all documents will get some initial boost scope, 5, and after that every document gets some additional relevant score only in case if it matches some built-in filter. For example, in case our document matches some test phrase bar, so it will get some additional weight 23, and in case it will match some cat, it will get mod 42 points. So shortly speaking, that allows us to modify score in a way we want, dependently whether the document matches some filters or not. And we are going to use that function score and functions combinations in order to build our recommendation query. So now when we get some theory, let's go to practice and I will show you how the final query looks like, and we will analyze it together.